So here the checkpoint. So this is checkpoint of the checking. Here. Let's go high and low. Looks cool.
Oh, try to get into E-Prix.
And they're making also the video. See that corner? This is cool. Right? They put this video, right? Luckily we got the chance to get the ticket.
Thank you so much.
So the one lady, no, it's fine. That's great. Thank you, Andrew.
I was watching the pre-race show. They have like something going on now.
And you're gonna love it. They're here as well, like that. Look at that. ABC Formula. Oh, that's great.
This is something else. There's no.
So they give this water bottle. It's good, right? You just make dehydrated.
When you're done, you roll it up.
Yeah, it's really right. Say good. That area too.
I just showed up for fun. I was
That's great.
this is like the best thing I could.
Yeah, right. Oh, that's great. So I went that place and that if I saw her, I want to give her any drinks if you want to.
I have to go say thank you to her.
Yeah. So the next stop, the London Berlin. Oh, they mentioned this pretty cool. You see the next stop, the London Berlin. Yeah, they're making they start from after New York City. They start from the London. Don't you know that? Yeah. They do the London, and after that they go for the 2 days, and after then in Berlin in Germany. So this is
London, Berlin, and then where?
Then that's it. That's three.
Yeah.
For the New York City, London, and then Berlin. Next stop, New York. This side DHL. You can see that 5,570 kilometers from London to here. And then Berlin, 6,000. Right.
I think we are close to points. Definitely better than.
Let's get the 86, 66, 86. So this is grandstand A.
There's a lot of challenges today, as you for the energy management side, but as well others, maybe the battery. So that's the three factors for today. I think the tap application is as well quite interesting, and I just think even
The national anthem just starting.
Through the night, that our flag was still there. Oh, say, does that star-spangled banner yet wave?
Here you go. That's the start date for that.
What?
No.
Over the land of the free and the home of the brave.
Baseball, it's the NFL, it's the New York City E-Prix. You're going to get quite the rendition of the American national anthem ahead of the action this afternoon.
What an amazing moment. It brings so much prestige to the event, doesn't it? It really brings a sense of occasion. And also just a moment in the chaos of the grid for everyone to just stand still, take a moment, no doubt think about what lies ahead.
And that is what lies ahead. Yeah, exactly. The run down towards the first corner, you can see the racing line on the left-hand side. That's where Nick Cassidy is going to be starting as he charges down towards the first corner, off pole position. So, thank you, Dario. So, just a couple of minutes before the race gets underway.
So the break, I want to just show you that the main race after the break. Let's walk around that after this area. Beautiful here.
Agree for the ABB New York City E-Prix. Don't miss the start of this race. Please take your seats now.
Starting for DS15 to back in 13. Set the camera, starting back in the 12th position. And the rest of the field will be coming your way. There is the indication that the grid is starting to be officially cleared. Only official ready people are able to get out of here. There is starting the 10th spot, Andre Lotto. And to me, he's got to be the sentimental favorite. 6 times in his career here.
gonna
Never got the win. So that's going to be a big one for him. Starting at 9th is Alex Sims. Here you go. Starting at the 8th spot is going to be Ali Rowland for Nissan E-Nams. Then you move up to the 7th starting spot for Audi Sport ABB. That is Lucas DeFrossi. Then starting in the 6th spot, Pascal Verline for your Porsche. Then moving up into the 5th starting spot, driving for Nissan E-Nams, Sebastian Cohen, the most prolific qualifier here ever on this track. Starting in the 4th spot, again, BMW Andretti Motorsport, Max Victor. Then starting in the 3rd spot will be Alex Lynn. Made a big splash in 2017 in his debut weekend with his cars, putting it on pole for the first race. Then starting in the 2nd spot, Jean-Eric Byrne, and that beautiful golden black machine, and on the pole, the 7th time in his career, Vision Racing. It is the youngster, Nick Cassidy. What a story that is unfolding here for this 26-year-old. We are getting ready to go. Again, we can still do some fan boost voting, so as we get ready to go, make that happen. The cars will now advance up from the dummy grid into their starting positions where those white blocks are. Then, those red lights that you see center of the screen, right underneath the sign that says Tag Heuer, all 5 of those illuminate. As soon as it goes out, that is when we are officially racing. The cars now making their move from the dummy grid up to their official starting spots. We are getting very, very close to round 10 of the 7th season of ABB Formula E FIA World Championship action.
Pretty cool.
Have some of these views from the visors, inside the visors, quite literally. All right, watch those lights. As our every one of the crew members here. The energy is building. Cassidy, Van Dorn, Lynn. Good start by Cassidy. Look at this move though. Way back. A huge move around the outside by Alex Lynn.
This is great! Oh, that's a Jaguar! That is a Nissan, that red one.
Woo! Come
on, X3!
Thought about it for a second, Grassi did, but then decided to tuck back in. You're getting tight turn 6. Everybody working very carefully here, side by side, but giving each and everybody just a little bit of room, knowing there's no point wrecking here in the opening. Oh, so close to the wall for the Mahindra team. Oh, and a big rotation by Cassidy. He was already doing a little bit of regen, and his back end just snapped around there.
Yes. Now, oh, there's a little contact there.
Oh, look at that! That's actually great!
Goodness, that was the 2 Jaguars. They cannot get through a section.
Yeah, that's 2
without
Jaguars.
some sort of an issue with that team, and now it's the 2 teammates struggling together as the field now working its way through that very fast turn 14 for the first time. And there's no, that wasn't a Jaguar. That was the number 17 of Nick DeVries for Mercedes-Benz EQ.
Woo!
Here we are to turn 10, or turn 1 again. Trying to come down the inside, trying to make a campaign of where he can early. But the racetrack is crossing the turn, one down to the 3rd, Victor, Lynn back to the 5th, crossing Fairline. Just slip back just a little bit as well. Sims, Rowland, and Lotto to round out your top 10.
And for running in that 2nd spot, he told me after his qualifying lap, he was disappointed in himself. He didn't feel that he put it all out there like he wanted to. He made a little bit of a mistake. So I asked him, how are you going to refocus and put that behind you? He said, I'm just going to put my helmet on and drive. And we're seeing him do that right now.
That's all you can do, isn't it? Is focus. Think about the next thing. Race drivers have to have immense capacity for memory on certain levels, but in others they have to have a very short memory to just be able to go, yeah, that's done. Now I'm looking forward. Looking forward is what Cassidy is doing. But he and Byrne have already opened up a bit of a margin back to Webby. Get through turn 14 once again. Things settling just a little back. And the attack mode activation zone is now open. And this is when it gets interesting, because when you're up in the front group, you can control your pace.
at that. Wow. That looks beautiful. This is white and green. That is beautiful, like the last one.
Yeah, they're back to full speed, so it's just a corner yellow. They got that cleared and back to green flag racing.
Can you make it though?
Here it is. There's Lynn walking the big boom right there to the side. And the gathers, and only was fortunate to lose only one spot in Robert's right.
It's your. Oh, no, this is not your. Your one is earlier. This is not that red you looking. You are on the another one. Pretty one. You have a green, white, and red. Your one. That one good. Go!
Quick pick up who it was. So Cassidy, Vern, Boemi, then Gunter. Now Ollie Rowland has been having a very, very strong race and has moved his way up into the 5th spot, considering he started at 8th. So, pretty solid move for him. There's Verline out of the car. Woo! Dancing as he dove underneath Boemi into turn 1. Here we go. He was doing a late break move down in and regenerating at the same time because he got big rotation on the car.
Yeah. That's yours. Yeah. This one yours. Yeah. That is yours.
He's using attack mode right now. As you can see on the halo there, it is glowing blue. And this is his 2nd attack mode in this race.
Yeah, you'll be the winner. Woo!
Now picking up some as well as Boemi. Nobody loses. You don't even need
Woo!
It seems the on the TV, don't you? The TV part there is Lynn.
Woo! Ooh! Ooh! Ooh!
They're trying to make it really
That little spurt might just be the key for him here. Look there at Sam Berg, Renee Rast, Nato, battling a little bit farther back in the pack. That's for 13th right now.
Look at that.
That is 27. Oh, big problem for Jake Dennis.
What, is your support?
That's a BMW, I don't know.
It's a BMW. We are supporting the American. Yeah, that's like right.
Rossi
Finally, we did it.
Yeah,
working over Dennis's teammate Gunter.
Cassidy or
Still
Gunter.
up in that first
Right.
spot. Here he goes through right there. We're into the final, coming up with the final 15 minutes, but remember, it's plus a lap.
Woo!
Everybody is just looking.
Go, 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 go. I like this green, white, and red one. Look at that. Woo.
You get down to this.
Yeah, I'll be happy for that.
You've got a bit more energy.
Woo! There's another one. Oh, there's another one. There's a two. Actually, there's a two. White, green. Two of LeBron, right? Yeah. They're kind of good, like the Nissan one, right? Like the.
Has 36%.
Woo!
The Nissan is the black and red.
Which could be just enough.
Thank you, Dario. So, just a couple of minutes before the race gets underway.
So the break, I want to just show you that the main race after the break. Let's walk around that after this area. It's beautiful here.
Go green for the ABB New York City E-Prix. So much involvement. That's also on the app and on the website.
Oh, look at that. Look at that, what happened. Andrew. Woo! Oh, it's there. Somebody miss you. The Captain of America?
Yeah, 1 second.
That's cool. Yeah, you want to take a picture? If they the kids want to take a picture.
Oh yeah, we can
Love it. Love it, yeah. This looks like fun. To get that, you'll be fine. But that people are now it's like moving, having some.
put them all
You see the hot dogs?
This is really good.
Really?
Where that food truck is from is really good.
Looks really fun. Looks.
I can't believe I'm here. I can't believe.
Yeah.
I left my house at like.
The fan boost. No worry. Come on.
Y'all are cheering at the practice.
It's really cool. we're gonna go earlier then.
Yeah,
4:30 the fun. Right.
Still, it's only 3:45.
Right.
Again, those two words are key in its first season as a truly nationally, globally recognized world championship. Great to be here for the ABB NYC New York City E-Prix. And what a beautiful afternoon it is turning out to be. The views from across the East River and the Buttermilk Channel to downtown Manhattan, the Battery, the Statue of Liberty from this venue here in Red Hook. Absolutely fantastic, which is exactly what we expect the racing to be as well. Hi everybody, I'm Greg Creamer, joined by Heather DeVoe once again. And I'll tell you what, I am looking forward to this one. After what we saw in those practice sessions, and especially in qualifying in Super Bowl, this is going to be an immense race unfolding here.
I've got goosebumps already, and it hasn't even started yet. I cannot wait to see this race. So many surprises there in qualifying, had some incidents in practice, a lot to look forward to. And pay attention.
To win, and another point for fast lap if it comes from the driver in the top 10. So much to play for.
Yes, a lot of opportunities for these teams and drivers to earn points, not only in the driver's standings, but also in the team championship standings, because there are
So the round 10 and 11, and 12 and 13 in London, 14 and 15 is in Germany.
Starting grid is, and who is the points leader? He's actually starting all the way in the back. But we'll get to the starting lineup later. But like
So
you
the
said,
first is starting in New York City, that's right here.
Hopefully win a championship here in just looks like 3 more race weekends, including this one.
Absolutely, yeah. It's 15 rounds total. We're rounds 10 and 11 here, then to London for 2 rounds, and then the final 2 rounds of the championship is going in Berlin, and it's going to be absolutely superb. And this is so nice to have it back. Obviously, this race didn't happen last year due to the pandemic. And not only to be back here racing, but also to be here in front of fans again is spectacular. And there's what I'm talking about.
Switzerland,
Points. 10
Netherlands,
points for Mortara, back to
Portugal,
points. But then the next 3 dead even at
Germany,
60 points,
New Zealand,
all the way back to 12. You look
like
at the
many
margins there,
different
and that
countries.
tells
You can see that.
just how
That
close
part is
this
good. This is
championship
gonna
is.
look
The
cool.
only thing separating those 3 that were tied for 60 points is a win. So basically, they've had stellar seasons, almost identical for them to be tied there. But yeah, it's going to be great. I just can't even talk because I'm so excited. I hope all the fans here are just as excited as you and I.
Yeah, I'm really so excited too.
Because this is a
Somebody
fascinating
ending here.
championship. Here's that team championship points you're talking about. Mercedes EQ, they are leading it right now, but by such a huge margin, 3 points. It is so close. And you look again down through that.
I mentioned, for example, our points leader, Mortara. He's actually starting in the position.
Look at that, they have all places that have sanitizing here.
At least into the top 10 to continue gaining points and hopefully have an advantage on his competitors, if you will, and stay on top of the
That's the key, isn't it? Consistency here helps. You can have a lot of wins, but if you have a ton of DNS, no points going.
Is he waiting?
I want to feel
Are we gonna go sit in the bleachers? I actually want to like.
Yeah, when they start the points for every sport,
Try doing it like this.
Oh, that's great. Andrew, you wanna go now? What mood like is it?
last place. That one hurts me by. Or second last.
It's everything yours, whatever you like to see.
guys on the same kind of concept.
I'll tell you, Gooker's looking really good right now. 31% left. And nobody else except Bird at 31 is that back in 10th is that amount of energy left. So He's playing his cards.
Everything is yours.
Great information from the BMW audience. Back to the
See this?
that margin.
My CD flash started a riot. It started with the wave. Make sure you guys station.
The lower end of that group.
He sounds like he's relaxing mood. He's describing.
Two-time champion.
Oh, they have telehandlers right there. We're good.
Also a winner.
Great run through turns 1 through 5. He gave himself a buffer. Right there, Jeff, the 30 just cheated.
Whoa!
Turn 10.
Yeah!
You see it driving shallow the entry a little bit. Basically, it turns in a little sooner, earlier than normal. That means they're in defensive mode.
Pretty cool.
And he may be doing that knowing I need to lift and coast in, so I'm going to make it more difficult for anybody to try and make a move on me. I got to reach it as well, which can overslow the car. That was an opportunistic move executed with absolute perfection there. These cars are involved in that first few by only 1%. But now he can control things here. I know what's the move like that. There's that ball.
I wonder, like, that was a jersey.
That's a relaxing. It's a relaxing.
They have their numbers.
I was tempted.
Where they sit. But that little exchange. It's interesting how we've got teammates there. Cassidy and Frines rolling to Buemi. We're about to get you across the line.
What's this, bro? The guy comes up.
Is it BMW? Oh, that's great. Woo! Woo!
Take it back to 14-19 now.
Yeah.
Beautiful race, but ends up shutting down the fourth. Quickly, that win came by one great energy.
They're making the BMW?
Yeah, but we're going to be more sliding into, like, gas engine.
Taking the third spot.
You want to say something? How was that? How was that experience?
That was awesome. Thank you for somehow got tickets. I don't know how you did it. Thank you so much. Battery time, we gotta push them. When they won the World Cup, and I
all these years, this is for Ottawa, this was his 45th start.
Moment of this win for you.
Definitely this overtaking maneuver. I think I was managing the race for sure, went for it, and this meant we won for us. Then afterwards we had more energy and we drove the race home, and yeah, just an incredible feeling.
I'm pretty sure there's a big smile underneath.
You see the Statue of Liberty is over there. And I usually go for last 2019. I wish to get the chance to get that ticket, but this year was packed and it wasn't that so busy, and for the COVID, so it's kind of limited. So luckily, even though I get the chance, it's here this time. So it's really kind of fun, yeah.
Points here, and he came to 10. He's one of those guys. There's that moment again. You see that little bit of contact. Top 10 in the slab. So that's a great straight one pump. Again, another look at the results. And the thing that stands out to me here is the margin that you had that. He got to the front, he had the battery, such an incredible venue here.
That's cool. That's probably a bucket list item in the racing career to be a world champion. So they're fighting hard to get it.
Yep, no question about that. And this is a big step. You saw those big gains in the points that were made. That's how it plays out. But keep in mind, whenever you work your way, we talked about this, you work your way up into the top. The North American swing now. So that's going to be just wonderful. Well, coast to coast in New York, that's going to be just a joy. And that venue on board as well. The calendar is out, so go give it a look. You find it on the
that area more beautiful. Like you see the sheep. The winning team. Woo! Can I charge my phone? Is it an iPhone?
Over here. There's one more over here for iPhone. Right here.
Oh, thank you. Germany.
The national anthem of the winning team from the United States of America.
Woo! So the BMW is an American?
Yeah, they're an American corporation, I think.
Oh, that's great. Woo!
And now it's time to celebrate!
Woo! You can see they have the restroom as well. The restroom facility. So the exit is that way, right? Oh, straight that way, right? And you cannot allow for this stop. Make sure you don't you don't have that type of, you can see this is, you're not allowed to make it, bring it. That's the gate, main one. Oh, this is for the ferry. Oh. This is like, sure.
You're very welcome. Enjoy.
Thank you.
You bet.
So that is the race line. This is the ferry line. How are we gonna go so that stadium, like that side, right?
Yeah, you just need to walk all the way back.
I cannot go this way? Oh god. That's great. Airlines. You see the Bosco. This all flag right here.
And be right intentionally at the sharp end of the points.
And please subscribe
With that finish right there. So that's good news. He came in 13th in the points, but where Matara finished back.
See you the next one.
And finished with third.
See ya. Peace.
In relative